finished your sewing, you need to keep your machine in good order. You will find oil in the accessories box. Always use a very fine machine oil. Open your bobbin case and just wipe it free of dust every now and again. You will also find small screwdrivers so that you can remove your plate for maintenance. Unscrew the plate. This needs to be done about once a month on regular use of a sewing machine to keep the dust away from the feeders. You should always switch off your machine during maintenance, and when your machine is not in use, always switch off from the mains. Just wipe any dust from your feeders. Place a drop of oil on the needle chute and a drop in the bobbin casing, and that should be sufficient to keep your machine in good order. Once you have replaced your foot plate, make sure you screw it back in place and your machine will be ready for your next use. I have used a Kreshay sewing machine for the past 5 years, and I would fully recommend it to any of my family and friends. I hope you can do the same. Happy sewing with your Kreshay sewing machine, a machine you can trust and rely on.